Christmas gift. "Molly dear," said Mother, "do you remember how you always told us that you wanted a baby brother or baby sister?" "Yes, I still do want it," said Molly. "Well, it looks like your wish has come true," exclaimed Daddy happily. "Wow! Is Mummy going to have a baby?" cried Molly. Daddy said, "Yes. Whether it will be a boy or a girl is not important. But now you will have to become a big girl. Mother is going to take your help." "Of course," cried Molly. "I will help Mother." Over the next few months, Molly grew very anxious to see the new baby. Then on Christmas, Mother delivered a lovely baby boy. "Hello, brother," said Molly, smiling. "I am your elder sister Molly." The baby looked into Molly's eyes and smiled. "Look at that. He loves you already," said Mother. It was the best Christmas gift. Christmas Angel. An angel said to herself, "I do hope that this Christmas I will be able to help people have a happy and merry Christmas." Suddenly, the angel heard a little girl crying. She asked him, "Why are you crying?" The little girl sobbed, "My puppy is missing. I am worried. How will I find it?" The angel asked, "What does your puppy look like?" "He is very cute. He has brown hair and a brown collar," said the little girl. "What is your name?" asked the angel. "My name is Peggy," said the little girl. The angel said, "I will find your puppy. Do not worry." Soon, the angel found the puppy with her powers. She carried it to where Peggy was waiting. Peggy hugged her puppy tightly. "Thank you so much. Are you an angel?" said Peggy to the angel. "I am a Christmas angel." "Merry Christmas, little Peggy. Always be happy," said the angel. Then she went away to help someone else. The bicycle. It was Christmas Eve. Donna knew there was not much money, so she might not get all her presents on Christmas. Donna thought longingly of a pink bicycle that she wanted. Later, when Donna was sleeping, a sound like a tiny tinkling bell woke her up. She saw a beautiful fairy. The fairy said, "I have an urgent message from Santa Claus. He needs a helper. Will you help?" Donna nodded her head. Soon, she found herself sitting in a sleigh along with Santa. It was so much fun distributing the presents. When all had been delivered, Donna found herself in her own little bed. She heard Grandfather calling out, "Merry Christmas, Donna!" leaning against her bed with a beautiful pink bicycle. From the handlebars hung a label which said, "To Donna, a very good girl. Merry Christmas." Donna thought, just for a moment, that grandfather looked just like Father Christmas. The kind sisters. Tina and Susie were decorating the Christmas tree in the living room. The two sisters were excited but sad too, for their father was far away from home. Suddenly, they saw that their poor neighbor, Mr. Bean's roof had fallen off. The sisters said, "Mother, can they celebrate Christmas with us tonight?" Mother at once went out and came back with the neighbors. Tina and Susie shared their gifts, toys, and food with Mr. Bean's little daughters. They even shared their room with the daughters. Just before sleeping, the sisters prayed to God, "Please bring our father back home." A fairy had been in their house all evening. She saw both the sisters' kindness and was very touched. She gently waved her magic wand and disappeared. The next morning, Mr. Bean's house was repaired. Their father also. The sisters rushed to hug him tightly. They shouted, "Merry Christmas, Father!"
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.